How to turn cookies on or off on your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way on how you can turn cookies on or off on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to enable or disable cookies, we have to simply launch the settings app on our iPad. Once you launch your settings app, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. What you have to do is on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and then simply tap on Safari. So look for Safari and then simply tap on it. Once you find Safari, simply tap on it right over here. As you select Safari, on the right hand side again, you'll be able to see various options. Over here, under the Privacy and Security tab, you have this option which is Block All Cookies. In order to enable or allow cookies or to turn on cookies, you have to simply leave it as it is, which means that it is turned off, which means that Block All Cookies is turned off, which means that we are allowing cookies to crawl into our browser. However, let's say that you want to turn cookies off. Well, in that case, you have to simply turn on the toggle right next to it, and it says, are you sure you want to block all cookies? I will tap on the block all button right over here, and that basically gets the job done. And the other thing you could also do is simply actually clear web history and website data. Tap on it and then select clear history and website data as well. But if you want to enable it again, then you could turn off the toggle. If it is turned off, it is going to get grayed out. As you can see, if it is turned on, it is going to get highlighted in green, just like that basically. And this is how you can turn on or off cookies on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.